So you're doing this?
Minister, you hear me I say?
No. You hear what me I say. You connected to me. So if me can get that surveillance footage, anybody else can get it. Any other agency. We can't afford that.
That clear, the minister.
I think it did clear from the first meeting we gave. Siva, may I try get your record expunged, give you a clean slate, give you a fresh start. So you see this gun running thing where you're depend, why you drop it like a hot potato. Because I want you to understand. So my way forward right now is to make everything in terms of my political career, get it back on track. So just done with the foolishness. You know what? You say they're ouch the other day. You ever had a run-in with any of the agents, a Miss Brissett by any chance, or any of her colleagues?
Oh, the bad man police who run the agency? Yeah, I run with her one time.
No! Christ! She know you look like Siva.
No, man, you not worry about that.
You see that agency there? Them coming like bloodhound. Relentless. You see, once them get a hint of a trail, them nah let it go. And me can't afford for that come to me. So make sure you're 100% with me, brother. She no see your face and she no know you.
No, man, you coming like ghost to her.
All right. All right. Make sure. What you can tell me about Daly?
Well, him have one police there on him. Him help him get in his seat when I never there.
You know him name?
Some measures, measures.
Jonathan Majors.
Yeah, that's him brother there.
One tall brother. And him walks like Robocop.
Yes, same way like that, but look more taller.
Jonathan Majors dep on daily payroll.
Yeah, man, I inspired it say there, mad house of foreign.
That's why that son of a bitch never try to reach out to me not one time. I'm over there. I'm busy as stab me on my back and sell me out.
So, Virgin,
My friend that brother. And my enemy that. Never trust a boy there from morning, you know. So where man daily really up?
I right on. When I'm top dog in my back right now.
So that's why Daly so confident. I'm have him look a bloodhound and do him thing. But no worry about it. No have nothing for me. No for my documentations. I work on an internal election to get back my seat. We just have wait for the Prime Minister to sign off on it.
As soon as I deal with that, I can work on the ground so I can get the vote.
All right. I have to go speed up getting the record clear up. Because since as you got around me, I really want nobody to question your legitimacy. So I'm going to deal with that. And then we bring in another loop as to what's the next move.
Yeah, bossy.
No boss thing, you forget.
Yeah, minister.
They really thinks that people are big-head, but you know. Him don't know say them style of politics they out long time. All of a sudden, close to the election, him a bring in school bus. And I do all kind of quick projects, quick fixes. Me hear say all one somewhere also owe people chicken 5 years ago, and all of a sudden the chicken them available. Them kind of politics there is what me want to move away from. And stop take people for idiot.
You think of that alone? Where there about 6 school man go and fix up. I put AC in the classroom them too. You see me all laptop, everything. All ribbon wanna cut.
You want some bubbles to go with them ribbon the way my cut. So all of a sudden, him bring in school bus. I fix up the school them and I put in all of the fandangles where you mentioned. And education is on the decline. So a pretty school, pretty bus, and now focus on the education. Him can't stay in that seat there. Him have to come out.
Ready to get the thing done. Just say the word.
Alright, the word is this. Keep your ears to the ground and keep your eyes on majors. We have some dirt on him in the vault already. But we want some new dirt to seal him fate.
Consider it done.
Alright, we talk.